Hi, my name is Esther Salami, and these are the stories that are trending across the globe. First up, a CNG tanker explosion which occurred on Wednesday evening close to Karu Bridge in Abuja has left 6 dead, 25 injured, and 18 vehicles damaged or burnt. The accident was caused by a brake failure, which resulted in collisions with other vehicles and the explosion of the compressed natural gas canisters that were in the tanker. One of the first responders was the FRSC, the fire service, and even the military. These organizations have urged the public to make sure their vehicles are checked and in proper conditions before hitting the road. Discussions on time barriers for tankers carrying sensitive goods have also emerged following this accident. Moving on to the Middle East, Israel has resumed its attack on Gaza after the fallout of their 2-month ceasefire deal. Now, Israel blamed Hamas for not releasing the hostages, but Hamas in turn blamed Israel for not keeping the terms of the deal. Now, this has caused panic in the region as on Tuesday, 400 Palestinian deaths were recorded. In fact, widespread protest has emerged in Israel over their Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's handling of the entire situation. Meanwhile, the humanitarian conditions in Gaza has worsened, and we can't see the end of this war. For more stories like this, be sure to check our website at thenews-chronicle.com to be posted on what is happening. Like this video, share it with your community, and be subscribed if you're not yet subscribed to our channel. And I will see you next time.